Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We are coming off a record November. No matter how you slice it, whether you're breaking down the average highs, looking at the average lows, or the average temperature overall, every single one coming in as the record warmest. So a very warm month, and it looks like December is kicking off to a very warm start as well, with our temperatures running nearly 10 degrees above the average for this time of year. A high of 78 today for Phoenix. Cloudy to mostly cloudy at times as we head into this afternoon, so those clouds overall sticking around through today and even into part of tomorrow. Our high today, 78, again puts us nearly 10 degrees above the 30-year average, which is now 69 degrees. We'll stay away from the record though, the record 83 set back in 1949. We are under a high pollution advisory. You're going to see that brown haze over Phoenix, that high pollution advisory in effect for Maricopa County and Pinal County. That's an indication that levels of dust and smoke will reach unhealthy levels for folks with breathing sensitivity. So keep that in mind. If you have respiratory issues, you'll want to stay indoors, limit those outdoor activities, and again, know that this could be especially harmful for children and elderly when we start to see this bad air quality. Avoid burning wood if you can tonight because of the higher concentrations of smoke in the air. You want to avoid using your fireplace, a wood burning stove, things like that. You probably won't need that fireplace with the warm temperatures we're forecasting, but something to keep in mind, and avoid using gas-powered lawn equipment today with that high pollution advisory that's in effect. Now tomorrow, not expecting that advisory to be in effect, you'll start to see those concentrations of dust and smoke start to gradually drop back into the moderate range Saturday and into Sunday. We are tracking a disturbance that is slowly moving east just south of our border. That is what's sending that moisture our way, and that's why we've seen all the clouds. As we go through the next couple of days, so into tomorrow, you'll see that area of low pressure pushing east, and that's going to take the thickest clouds with it. So we'll see periods of clouds today and tomorrow morning, but then we'll start to see those mostly clear conditions by tomorrow night and early Sunday. Then we're tracking another disturbance that'll track primarily to our north, sending a cold front into our state by early next week. It's looking like a dry system for us, so you can see no rain chances in our valley forecast, and that means our dry streak, it's at 99 days as of yesterday. Today likely day 100, and it's going to continue to grow without rain in our forecast. So as you look at Futurecast, again, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies for the rest of today. Going into tomorrow, we'll see some clouds in the morning, and then we should start to see a little bit more clearing by tomorrow afternoon and evening, with mostly sunny conditions by Sunday. Temperatures each day will hover right near 80 degrees through the weekend. Saturday likely the warmest day at 80 degrees for a high, but those mornings still getting chilly, dropping into the upper 50s each day. Upper 70s today in Phoenix. Will top out in the mid to upper 60s from Globe to Sedona. 61 today at the Grand Canyon and 56 for Flagstaff. Again, temperatures across the valley, mid to upper 70s, running well above that 30-year average of 69, so nearly 10 degrees above average across our valley cities. Tonight into our Saturday morning, we'll cool off into the 50s, so a bit of a chilly start to the day tomorrow morning. You'll notice temperatures across the state will be dropping below freezing in Flagstaff and at the Grand Canyon. 43 overnight in Kingman, down into the 30s and 40s from Heber to Show Low. That 7-day forecast near 80 through the weekend. Temperatures next week will be dropping, with those temperatures dropping to near 70 degrees by our Tuesday. Again, as that cold front sweeps in, that system will be a dry one, so no rain chances, but we'll see a bit of a cool down, low 70s through the middle of next week.